Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, of becoming your own boss, calling the shots, and watching your dreams turn into reality? That's the entrepreneurial spirit, and it's a fire that burns bright in many of us. But where do you start? How do you turn that dream into a tangible, profitable reality? Today, we'll walk through this journey together, breaking down the process into easy-to-understand steps. All right, let's get started. You know that little spark of an idea that's been flickering in your noggin? Yeah, that one. Every game-changing starts from that tiny spark. It's like your own personal aha moment. This could be anything: a quirky product, an out-of-the-box service, or even a solution for when you can't find your socks. We've all been there, right? It's like the secret sauce to your business burger. So let's not rush it, give it some serious brain time, and who knows, you might just cook up the next big thing. Second, validate your idea. You might think it's brilliant, but will others? Testing your idea's feasibility and market demand is crucial. This could involve conducting surveys, launching a minimal viable product, or simply talking to potential customers. Remember, the key is to provide a solution to a problem that people are willing to pay for. Third, create a business plan. This is your roadmap, your blueprint. It outlines your business goals, target audience, competition, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan not only helps you stay focused and on track, but it's also a vital tool when seeking funding. Fourth, secure your finances. Starting a business requires capital. You might bootstrap, seek investors, or apply for business loans. The route you choose depends on your business model and personal circumstances. Be wise and considerate in this step, as financial missteps can prove costly. Fifth, set up your business legally. This includes registering your business name, getting federal and state tax IDs, obtaining business permits and licenses, and understanding your legal obligations concerning employees. Sixth, build your team. Even if you're starting solo, eventually you'll need a team. Hire people who share your vision and complement your skills. Seventh, market your business. You've got a great product or service, but people need to know about it. This is where marketing comes in. Whether it's social media, SEO, content marketing, or traditional advertising, find what works best for your target audience and budget. Finally, launch your business. This is the moment you've been working towards. It's exciting, but remember, it's just the beginning. The real work, growth, and success lie ahead. In summary, starting a business is a journey of passion and perseverance. It begins with an idea, followed by validation, crafting a business plan, securing finances, setting up legally, building a team, marketing, and finally, launching your business. Remember, every successful business started somewhere, and with the right approach and mindset, you too can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. So go ahead, ignite that spark, fuel your passion, and start your journey to entrepreneurial success.